what's up everybody, I'm Charlie and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a lemon icebox pie. All it is lemon juice, eggs, and condensed milk in a graham cracker crust. In addition to that, we're going to top it with a whipped cream cheese topping. This pie is a signature dish of Clancy's restaurant right here in the New Orleans area. Now this is my version of the pie. It calls for about 8 to 10 individual servings of pie and is absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Here is all what you will need to make your lemon icebox pie, and we're going to get started with our ingredients. You will need some graham crackers, unsalted butter, sugar, 2 14-ounce cans of sweetened condensed milk, 5 large eggs at room temperature, 2 large lemons, heavy whipping cream, 8 ounces of cream cheese, vanilla extract, and some confectioner sugar. To bake your lemon icebox pie, you will need a 9-inch deep dish pie pan. And there we have it. In a food processor, add 16 graham crackers. Blend for 2 minutes or until the mixture resembles finely coarse crumbs. And this is how it looks when we're done. We've transferred our graham crackers into a medium-sized bowl. Add 1/3 cup of sugar, 7 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir all your ingredients together. And this is how it looks when we're done. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Add your graham cracker mixture into your pie pan. Press the graham cracker crust onto the bottom of your baking pan. Take your fingers and press the graham cracker crust onto the sides of your baking pan. And this is how it looks when we're done. Now it is ready to be baked. Place into a preheated 350 degree oven. Bake for 12 minutes. Remove your graham cracker crust out of the oven after baking on 350 degrees for 12 minutes. Let the crust cool completely. Rinse 2 large lemons. Zest both lemons. Cut the lemons in half. Here we have a citrus juicer. Juice both lemons. Take the juice and pour it into a mesh strainer with a cup underneath it. Separate your egg whites from your egg yolks. You're going to take your egg whites and place that into one bowl, and take your egg yolks and place it into a separate bowl. And you're going to do this to all 5 eggs. This is optional. You can take your egg whites and make a meringue topping for this recipe if you like. Now let's make our pie filling. Add 2½ cups of sweetened condensed milk, now we're going to add 5 egg yolks in one at a time. And start your mixer on a medium speed. Add the first egg yolk in. Add the second egg yolk in. Add the third egg yolk in. The fourth egg yolk in. And the fifth egg yolk. Mix until combined. Add 1/3 cup of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of lemon zest, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix on a medium-high speed for 3 minutes. You're going to scrape down the sides of your bowl, and as you can see, the mixture has thickened slightly, and that's exactly what we want. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Pour your pie filling into your pre-baked graham cracker crust pie shell. Using the back of a spoon, spread your filling around your pan as evenly as possible. To make the filling more even, shake your pan slightly. Now it is ready to be baked. Place into a preheated 350 degree oven. Bake for 20 minutes. Remove your lemon icebox pie out of the oven after baking on 350 degrees for 20 minutes. If you tap the sides of your pan and your pie jiggles, that lets you know that your pie is done. Let the pie cool completely. Once done, place this into your refrigerator for 1 hour or overnight. Now let's get started with our topping. Add 1½ cups of heavy whipping cream, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 2/3 cup of confectioner's sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Start your mixer on a medium-low speed just to get that cream cheese incorporated. Then turn your mixer up to the highest setting and let this mix on high speed for 2 minutes. And this is how it looks when we're done. Here I have a piping bag fitted with the Wilton 1M tip. I'm going to place the whipped cream filling into the piping bag, and I'm going to pipe it onto the filling portion of the pie. Now you can do this however way you like. I'm just doing a little swirl design here. And we're done. Place your pie into your refrigerator for 1 hour or overnight before serving. To store this pie, keep it in your refrigerator at all times. Here is the final presentation. And there you have it, lemon icebox pie, made from scratch. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. You can also check out this recipe along with all of my other recipes, as well as contact me or donate to the channel. Visit www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also like, follow, or contact me on Facebook and on Instagram under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's taste test is coming up next. Now it's time for Charlie's taste test. The pie has a very soft yet firm and creamy texture. Nice crunch from the graham cracker crust. It also has a very nice lemon flavor along with the flavor of the cream cheese and the graham cracker crust. Absolutely delicious. I'm telling y'all, try the recipe. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. So until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.